Hello, I went on YouTube looking for a light box, a light table, something to use with stained glass and or drawing. Everybody had some great ideas. Just thought I'd throw this out there. This is an old fish tank with a fish tank light. I cut 2 pieces of wood to set the light on because of the light holes. You want that to get air. Then I found a piece of wood. I cut it to size to give your table some strength. Here's a piece of paper. Here's your glass, your stained glass. Here's a project. I'll turn the light on for you. There you go. Light table, light box. I just wanted to do something simple because as wonderful as everyone is on YouTube, some of the projects just seem too much work. There you go. Thank you.